Hey you guys, it is me, Diva TT, and I am back with another video, you guys. And today this is gonna be a press-on nail try-on. I am Tiffany, okay, also known as Diva TT on all social media platforms. Wherever social media is, social media. Okay, I will be applying my nails. As you can see, I have no nails on my hands. I ordered me some stuff off Amazon, and I have some stuff also from SHEIN that I will be applying on my nails so that I can apply these press-on nails. I have showed you guys so many of my nails, these SHEIN beauty hauls. So I've been showing y'all nails lately, so I'm, it's only right that I apply them, okay? But before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, you guys. Join me, Tiffany, and the family. Okay. Yes, y'all. And let me pick a pair to apply. Okay, guys. So I really love these press-on nails. Look at that. It looks super pretty. It's given Hawaiian, French tip, floral design. I got them in a large. The real test is going to be when I try to put them on my hands myself. And you have the sticky tabs. And you have the file that comes with them. Okay. So first things first, I will be using this nail kit for this nail preparation for my press-on nails. In this kit, I will be using the cuticle cutter, the cuticle pusher, and the nail clippers. Okay, so this is essential. This is the nail files and a nail buffer. This is my nail drill, and also the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. Okay. So right now I am just trimming down my natural nails with the nail clippers. So yes, this is my first time ever applying any press-on nails or just doing my nails at home by myself. I do usually get my nails done at the nail salon. So this right here, I am so rusty. I am a beginner, and this And yes, I am doing my best right here, just trying to cut my nails down. I don't do this on a regular basis, but you know what? I really want to apply these press-on nails, so this is what I have to do. So right now, I am applying that Sally Hansen cuticle remover to all my cuticles. And this is going to be really tricky because I am right-handed, and it's going to be tricky trying to do the left side. So yes, one side is always better than the other side, okay? So right now, I am pushing back my cuticles with this spatula. And I'm not going to even hold you. My cuticles were pretty thick because I haven't had a manicure in a long time. And like I said, this is my first time trying to attempt to do a manicure on myself. So yes, this was definitely interesting to me, okay? But this is a part of the nail preparation, and I want to make sure that when I do put on my press-on nails that I have a clean look. So definitely push back those cuticles and get your cuticle remover to like loosen up the cuticle so that when you cut the cuticle, it's just easy for you to just do a clean cut. My nails are already starting to look really pretty, and I'm doing this all by myself. I'm so proud of myself because I didn't think I could do this. I've watched so many videos on how to do this. So now I am clipping my cuticles because this is going to help your nails to have a cleaner look. You want to get rid of all that skin, and yes, I had some pretty thick skin. This cuticle cutter that I am cutting with right here, it was kind of dull because I picked up the wrong cuticle cutters, but you know what? It did take off some of the skin, so I'm just going to work with it. As you can see, some of the cuticle is coming off. But yes, these cutters are kind of dull, so I don't know. I don't feel like I took off as much cuticles as I needed to, but you know what? I worked with it. It's definitely not as easy as it looks, okay? This whole preparation took about 20 minutes with all the nail steps and just as trying to establish a good nail routine for my first time. I think I'm doing a pretty good job. And if it's your first time doing a nail routine for your press on nails, be patient with yourself because, like I said, it's not that easy. But it can be done, and I'm doing it, okay? This is from a girl who's been going to the nail salon since I was a little girl, going with my grandmother and my mom to the nail salon, okay? And I never thought to like do my own press-on nails, but you know what? I got some nail press-ons from SHEIN, and I am super excited to just try them on. A lot of my nails are super, super cute, so I was like, I'm gonna take the time to just do it, okay? You gotta pamper yourself. And yes, I want to save money on how I look. You know what I'm saying? Because all of these services add up at the end of the month. So guess what? I am here for the affordability of it all, okay? I want to save money just like everybody else. So now I'm just cleaning off my nails with some alcohol. Okay, I did have like a wipe and I applied alcohol to the wipe. So yeah, I'm just dusting off my nails with that alcohol. And this is my nail drill. This was the most trickiest part of it all, okay? This is my first time ever working with a nail drill. So, yes, bear with me. I do know that all I needed to do was just get the nail scratchy, like scratch up the nail because that's what's going to help your nails stay on, your press on nails to stay on. And it's a part of the nail prep, okay? Every time I go to the nail salon, she does the nail drill, on my nails or on my acrylics. And it's just, I don't know. I'm kind of struggling with this nail drill, so bear with me. And of course, my nails are not all the way in frame like they should be. Filming this video was very, very tricky for me. I know I sound like I am complaining, but Lord have mercy. I'm just trying to share my experience of doing my press-on nails and working with all these new tools and all these different things. I never did it before. I never used them before. I did go to my local beauty supply and get this nail drill, and I wasn't sure which one to pick, but I did settle on this J2 Professional. I never heard of it before. It looks different from the one at the nail salon, but you know what? It did the trick. It scratched up my nails like I needed them to be scratchy, and then I changed the tip right there, the little tool. At this point, I'm just proud of myself. Like, oh my God, I'm really doing it. Y'all, oh my God. And this is my left hand right here. I am struggling to do it, okay? I cannot do the left side. It's so hard. But you know what? It gotta match the right hand, okay? It has to match the right hand. So I couldn't leave it out. I don't care. Struggling, shaky, I'ma do it anyway. So now I am buffing out my nails, okay? This is kind of easy, okay? This was easier than the nail drill. So I am doing this effortlessly, okay? So do not forget this step. When you scratch up your nails, you definitely want to buff them out, okay? So yes, I am buffing them out, getting the nails all smooth, and it's working out for me, okay? It's happening, guys. We are almost done with the nail preparation for the press-on nails, and then I can apply my nails. Okay, y'all, so this is how my nails look now, okay? They look clean, they look good, and you do want to scratch up with the nail drill, scratch up the inside of your press-on nails because all the glue, once you apply the nail glue, gets inside those grooves and it helps your nails to stick on better. So just listen to what I'm telling you. Scratch up the inside of your nails, and you also can do this with the nail file, but then I was struggling with the nail file because the nail file was kind of too wide for some of the nails. So I was like, let me just get this buffer, okay? So yes, not the buffer, the drill. Let me get this drill, scratch up the nails, okay? So just remember to do this step, okay? Get all your nails, scratch it up, scratch it up. I definitely wanted to make sure I showed you guys this step. So if anybody who is watching this, if you're new to my channel or you're doing your nails for the first time, I want to make sure that everything that I did in this video, you do on your nails because look, the nails are giving what needs to be gave, okay? The nails are staying on, okay? So do not forget any of these steps. And this step right here with the nail dehydrator, oh my God, this step is definitely essential, okay? The nail dehydrator is to remove the grease from the nails. It sterilizes the nails and removes the moisture and the germs, okay? So it's making your nails clean, okay? So do not forget your nail prep dehydrator, okay? Make sure you put it on each and every nail. You just polish it on like nail polish. And also, it helps the nails not to fall off, crack, or lift, or chip, okay? So this is definitely a game changer. Put your nail dehydrator on, you guys. I do have my alcohol, and I have my nail glue. So now it's time for the fun. We are about to glue on these press-on nails. We've done all of these different nail prep steps, and now this is the fun part right here, okay? Make sure you put a little nail glue on your nail and a little nail glue on the actual press on nail, and then you just press it in, okay? Now, I am not perfect at this step. I do see a little nail glue spillage because, like I said, this is my first time, and I think I am pressing too hard. It looks like I'm about to cave the nail in. But oh my God, we are at the finish line, okay? This is the fun part. Like I said, I am applying here the nail glue a little bit to the nail. Do not apply too much like I did, because I did have a little glue, that's sticking out, and that can make your nails appear crusty, and then you don't want your nails to start sticking, and then you get that white residue, so don't put a whole lot of nail glue on your nail and a lot of nail glue on there. Just a little bit goes a long way, but I think I overdid it. I put a lot of glue on there, and like I said, I have that spillage like at the cuticle line a little bit. So if you see that, it is what it is. This was not a perfect install of press-on nails, but guess what? I'm super excited that I did it, and my nails are already starting to look so pretty. Oh my God, y'all. The nails are coming together. Look at that. That's nail 3. Let's do nail 4. And oh my God, these are the SHEIN handmade luxury nails. And oh my goodness, they look so much better on my hands than it ever did on that card, okay? They look so natural. Like, look at that. Look at, it's like I gave pink powder, like I had the pink acrylic powder or something. It's giving real natural. Oh my God. And look at that flower. It is so pretty. It's super neat. You guys, ignore me. I'm just pressing it in, pressing it in, pressing it in, pressing it in. You only probably need to press it in once, okay? I'm over there pressing it, like I said, about to cave in the nail. But it is what it is. I don't want them to fall off, so I'm just trying to do the very best that I can. And oh my God, just like that, one hand is complete. And it only took me like 10 minutes just to do all of these steps. And oh my God, my hands look so pretty. Oh my God, I love it. My nails look clean. They look beautiful. And I just love this set of nails. I just cannot stop expressing that. It looks so pretty. I'm so happy I chose this set. I cannot wait to do my next step, okay? I definitely cannot wait to put on my next set of press-on nails, okay? I am really inspired to do it now. Look at this. This looks so beautiful. This was easier than I thought, even though some parts were hard. I'll let you guys know which parts are hard. The nail drill was hard, okay? This part went super fast, okay? This part took all of like 5 minutes, okay? I just popped these bad boys on, but it's all about your nail prep. I want these nails to stay on at least 3 weeks. And I know that's crazy for me because, 3 weeks is pushing it for me because I am a swimmer, you guys. I love to swim, and I swim regularly through the week. So I wonder how long I can keep these nails on with me swimming, 3 to 5 times a week, okay? So that's gonna be the real test right there, okay? Me swimming, taking all my hot baths, being in a jacuzzi, and just being submerged in water all the time, okay? So this is the next step. This is the last step. This is the cuticle oil, and I just love this cuticle oil, y'all. I did get it from Amazon. Actually, everything in this video I got from Amazon, and I did get these nails from SHEIN, like I said. Oh my God. If you guys want these nails, let me know. I'm going to comment them in the description box. I'm gonna leave the link to these nails in the description box. They look so much prettier on my hands, okay? They are so pretty. My hands look ladylike. They look beautiful. And I know it's for the cuticles, but I'm rubbing it in on my skin, all that oil, okay? Okay, guys, so this is the final look. The nails are all on. The nails are complete. They look beautiful. Like I just keep saying in this video, like, oh my God, my hands look so good, okay? Like, oh, I could be a little hand model. I love it, okay? Girl, and these nails are on very sturdy. That nail glue is the bomb, and everything that I pretty much use in this video, I just love. I'm just, oh my God, over the moon about how my nails look. My hands were looking basic for so many, months. I don't know, I haven't been wearing nails. I haven't worn nails in 3 months, so oh my God, I'm just so happy with how my hands look. They look so beautiful. Okay, so this is the final look. Okay, so this is the look. Okay, my name is Tiffany. Make sure you guys comment down below how I did in this video. I know I complained a little bit, but comment down below how I did for my first time, my first set of nails. Did I choose a pretty set of nails? Comment down below and let me know what you think. I want to know your thoughts. Comment down below. You can rate my nails. Let me know, okay? I am Tiffany. You guys, I will see you in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will be more to come, you guys. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Toodles. Bye-bye.